Na mbere kaunti ya Nairobi Mudavadi niatettetie andiki anene thirikariini kuringana na mairio iria yaririo giikaroini kia mbere kia NDCI kiria kiahanikire mweri wa gatatu mwaka muhetuku.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency President Ruto has severally reminded us to protect public resources with zeal to be able to actualize the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better again. The President raised the issue during the last cabinet retreat in Naivasha, where we were all in attendance. Ladies and gentlemen, we have not been overzealous in protection of public resources.
Ona gukiri uguo Mudavadi nionanitie uria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto erutanire niguo gutigirira indo cia muingi hamwe na gutwarithia na mbere ukuria wa bururi. Mudavadi niamoretie mogererekio wira-ini wao makiria hari kugitira indo cia muingi undu uria amerite manyitanire hamwe niguo gukinyaniria mubango ucio.
His Excellency President William Ruto pronounced himself on 1st November 2023 on the importance of the whole of government approach through the Executive Order number 2 by establishing 5 coordination organs to enhance coordination for service delivery to the people of Kenya. The order clearly spelled out the role of the Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary as a focal point for coordination of national government operations.
Handu-ini o hau Mudavadi niaugite ati thirikari iri na mubango wa gutigirira wira ni warutwo kwa ihinda riria rirabatarania na kuria augite wabici ya minister mukaru eguthie na mbere gukorwo iri kihumo kia mubango wa thirikari.
Coordination Secretariat having the working mandate of coordination and oversight.
Hamwe na uguo NGCS ruguru wa wabici ya minister mukaru nioete itua ria gutigirira ni matwarithia na mbere micemanio ya unyitaniri na ministry icio ingi. Mudavadi niaugite ati riboti ni kurekererio wiki nini njuku riria magakorwo na miario ingi ota iyo.
In fulfillment of this mandate, the National Government Coordination Secretariat has undertaken a range of initiatives to spearhead this mandate. These include holding several collaboration meetings with the National Government Administration Organization through the Ministry of Interior and Administration of Government, developing a draft coordination oversight, supervision and management framework, and developing an outline of a list of priority projects, programs and policies for coordination and oversighting.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatatu.